Welcome guys. Today's reading is about who are you going to be married? What is their traits? What is their habits? How they are look like? Okay, what they have in their mind? Which kind of person are they? These are my clarifiers, and these two piles are here. One is the blue ring, and the other is earring. Whichever you are attracted most, choose that one. I'm going towards my pile number one. Those who has chosen the pile number one, or the ring, blue color ring, your reading is you are going to marry someone who love you very much, who is the goddess of god or goddess of love, and they are thinking about you, they love you. uh, yes, they are very much in love with you. Something else with by this, maybe they have um, they are good in making the money, or maybe they are thinking about some money matter, and they are with this card, they are, I think they are Scorpio. Yes, they are Scorpio, or Scorpio, Cancer and Pisces, but mostly I think that they are Scorpio. Yes. And then Emperor. You have to be like an emperor to control them, to control all the situation, to give them happiness, to give them your love, your care, uh, to fulfill their desires, their wishes. You have to be like the emperor to protect them from others. Yes, that's what I am getting from here. What else for the emperor? Nine of Wands. They, I think you have to protect them. They want some kind of protection from you, or they need some kind of protection. If they don't want, they don't know, they need some kind of protection from you. That's why you are like the emperor. And you can see that behind that, in this field, there is a fire. Is a fire, and he know that there is a fire. He is going to do something about it. He is not unaware of it. He know it, and they have some kind of danger in their life. They want you to protect them, to love them, to take care of them. Yes. And maybe they are going to protect you, and these all things are going to happen towards you. Yes, they can see that, because they are emperor. They can see that you, what dangers you have in your life, and they are going to protect you by that. Yes. And justice, with them some kind of justice is going to happen to you. Maybe you are for someone they are Aries, for a little bit of you they are Scorpio, uh, strongly Scorpio, or they are the water sign like Scorpio, Cancer and Pisces, or they are Justice Libra. They are a Libra sign. Yes. Because this is open reading, this is general reading, this is not someone's personal reading, so more people belong to it. Okay. And there's some kind of justice they want to bring to you. They know you have no justice in your life, or you have treated badly from someone, and now they want some justice in your life, some happiness, or whatever this is. Queen of Cups, definitely Queen of Cups over here, Queen of Cups over there. They love you. They are going to bring love in your life. They are going to just you. Yes, they are bring some justice to your life, and that justice has changes. What can I say? This thing is that love from them. Yes, they are giving their love towards you. Okay, they are controlling all the animals in water. They have that control in their hands. and now they are giving this all love. These are controls towards you. They are having very sleepless nights, nightmares. They are thinking about someone. Maybe they are thinking about you. What is this? Clarify. Yes, they are thinking about you, the time they are going to spend with you, the happy time, the cheerful time they want to spend with you, and they are thoroughly thinking about it. Yes, they are thoroughly thinking about it. They want to marry you, they are in love with you, they want you very desperately. Yes, that's the reading. They love you. You are most luckiest person, I think. They love you that much, they think about you that much, they're going to protect, they want to protect you, they want you in their arms, to protect them like a hen protect its chicks. Wow. Yes, look at that. Knight of Cups. He is bringing you their cup. They are giving your cup and say, hi, I am coming towards you, this is cup from me to you. This is my heart, this is my passion, this is my feelings, this is all with me. I am giving this cup, these things, these feelings to you. Please accept it. I am coming, I am running towards you. They are holding this fish like a horse. They are riding it fastly, because they are traveling in the water with their emotions, with their love, with their passion, and that and no riding is good in the water except fish itself. Okay, and they are riding the fish, the fastest boat in animal in water. Yes, you, if maybe you or they are thinking that this is not going to be possible to have you, or to win your heart, or to marry you, but this is not true. This is all but is false, that illusions that you are seeing or they are seeing, that this is not possible, because this card, Eight of Swords, is all about the illusion. I don't I can't going to do that, I can't do this, this is not going to happen, this is not possible. What is this about? Yes, Ten of Wands. Some kind of burden, they have some kind of burden about this situation. Something is torturing them, something is tensing them. Yes, maybe they think that you are not going to accept them, you are not in love with them. If this is the right thing, please love them. They are very faithful for you, they are very loyal to you. Love them, please. Think about them, think about them. Okay, forgiving and learning. Yes, they want your forgiveness. Maybe they think that they have done something bad to you, or they had them done something bad to you, but they are in love with you now. They want to protect you, they want the forgiveness from you, they want to heal you. Yes, they want a good time with you, and that's why they have nightmares, that they think that they have done something bad to you and you are not accepting them. Yes, that's why they are having that nightmares. They want the good time with you, and they are thinking, still thinking that that's not possible, because you are not going to forgive them. Please forgive them. This card is for you to forgive them and learn what is in this matter, what is the thing is, knowledge is getting from this matter. As you release release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. That's the reading for you. Yes, all of these things are filled with love, passion, attraction, happiness, good willings. Get maybe they are, or you are like that chameleon energy. Maybe you are the constantly changing, or they are. Yes, there's the issue. changing yourself, changing your thoughts, changing whatever. What is this about? Hard work. They had done very hard work over you, very hard work. They want you very badly. And but yes, change yourself, change your thinkings, forgive them, and you will get out of your bad time, your bad thinkings, your bad feelings. You are getting out of here. Yes, what is this? This is you, strangely lonely. Okay, holding on way too tight. You're holding on your thoughts, your past too tight. You have to leave this there, which is not. You want some kind of help from others, maybe. Go and tell them about them others, and have some advice from others about them. They can tell you, or seek some mentors, some psychic person about them. They would tell you about them, what is good for you and what is bad for you. Yes, this is the reading for you for today. Please leave this energy. This is not good for you. Don't hold these things, that bad thinkings, that bad what had happened to you in the past. Leave this. Be like a new person, be like a chameleon. Change yourself, change for your own good, to come out of your bad thinkings, your bad time. Yes, and accept them in your life. That's good for you. Yes, that had to be happen. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Yes, that's going to be happen. That is necessary for you. Yes, that will bring you your wish fulfillment, your hopes to come true, your healing. That will give you the healing, the heal. They are your healer. Get them in your life. They are good for you. Okay, forget about everything. Forgive them, forgive their relatives, or whoever you are angry with. Forgive them and accept them, accept their love. They love you very much. Okay, that's the reading for pile number 1, the blue colored ring. Now I am going towards my ring number my pile number 2. Those who choose the reading number pile number 2, or this little earring, your reading is, you are waiting for someone, for them. Maybe they are waiting for you, for their soulmate, for their twin flame. They are waiting for you. Yes, what are they waiting for? Yes, definitely their soulmate, their loved one, for you, for twin flame. They are waiting for them. Okay, the next card is 5 of Swords, and this is to win something. They want to win you. They want to overcome your thinking. What is this about? That they want to change you. They want to change something. Yes, they want to change something. They want to change and remake something. Maybe someone had broken their love, their heart, their womb, and they want that thing back in their life. Or maybe you are rejecting them, and they want you desperately in your life. They want to win over it. They want you back in their life, and they are going to have it. They have a genie who fulfill their wishes, and you are their wish. What about this 9 of Cups? Yes, they are going to get you slowly and steadily. They are going to get you, not so fast, not I want this now, not this type of condition. They are going towards you, they are coming towards you slow and steadily. King of Pentacles, they are very much practical, generous. They know what they want, how they have to do this, how they do it, what they want to bring these things in life. Yes, they are so wise, so clever person. They have all the things in life, every happiness, and they want also you with them. I think that you had rejected them and now they want you desperately. They want you. Uh, they are going to win over this thing. New love. Maybe they are your new love. You love someone in the past time, or they love someone in past time. Yes, I think there's two type of readings over here. One is you had left them and they want you still back in their life, and the other is they had broken heart from someone else. They have broken home. They are betrayed by someone else, and now they are coming towards you and you are their new love. Or maybe they are loving you or you are loving them newly, a new kind of energy. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Okay, stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinkings and faith will bring you romance. Yes, they are thinking about you. They are optimistic about you. They want you back in their life. Look, um, she is praying, um, praying by this statue or idol, whatever this is, and she wanting something in their life, in her life, and they are just like that woman. They are wanting you. Or maybe they are worship you. They are, yes, whatever. I don't think what you can't think clearly. They are worship you. Yes, they love you. They want you desperately. Yes, romantic feelings. Yes, what is this? Yes, romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Yes, their feelings are real. They want you really. They want you with most hurtedly, with lots of love in their mind. They love you. Yes, yes. That. What can I say? That is the. It's for some kind of change. It's like a death card. It's the change happening in the darkness. You can't get it, you can't see it, but when these things are in front of you, you think, oh, is that going to be happen? Is this the right thing to do? Yes, like that energy. Not always bad, sometimes it's bad, but I think in this case it's good for you. Something's happening in your back, at your back, in the darkness. You can't see it. There's no moon to see it, no light, and this is happening. And with the right time, it's going to show you that it is the way you have to do it. Okay, I get this from this reading. Lady with the bossed egg, ancient wisdom, 31. Okay, something is going to build, some kind of growth, some kind of creativity is going to happen here. And with one, it's a will to succeed, to have this thing. Okay, and I think this there is some kind of bird ship. It's traveling through here. Something is happening, something is changing, or they are wishing for these things, or maybe you are seeing these things in your dreams. I think something is happening in your dream and you thinking about it. Your dreams are telling you about these things. They have something bad in your life, or you have something bad had happened to your life at previous time, and now this is going to be changed. Lady with a bush egg, ancient wisdom. Yes, maybe this relationship is not from this time. This is from very previous, very ancient time. Maybe for some of you, if you are Christian and non-Muslims, and this is for you to have the rebirth and the relationship of past life. Yes, this is a relationship from past life. That's why you are they are very in love with you, they are very thinking of you, you are in their thoughts, they are attracted towards you because this is the situation from your past life. And if this is not the true, then they love you from your past life, from your childhood, from your younghood. Yes, they, because I can see that this person is a little bit aged, okay, in their 30s or 40s something. And I think that they love you in your younger age, 16, 20 something, and or maybe from your childhood. Yes, they are thinking about you from that long time. That's what I get from here. And yes, and you are now very wise, or they are very wise to know that they have to have you in their life. You are so necessary for them. This relationship is have to be happen. This is from universe. I think this is from universe. Yes, now you are very wise, or they are very wise to think about it. That is the good thing for both of you. That's what I am getting from this reading number 2. I wish you very good luck. Please like, share, subscribe. It makes me happy, and with lots of good wishes. Bye.